Alright, so we are now checking out kasi ang call time natin ay 7:30, so it's 7:05 in the morning, so just right in time. So we'll see if we can still have breakfast pa, but most likely take away na yun. Alright? Hi, Kel! So, saan ang ating first stop for today?
Malay ko, I'm not a tour guide.
So, pupunta tayo sa may 9 Arch Bridge. So, yan. Kumana na tayo. So, it's around 4 kilometers from the main road. And we're going there. See ya! And on our way, may mga tea plantation na dito. Alright, so nandito na tayo sa starting point for the 9 Arch Bridge. And we're gonna be renting. Yan, so mag-hire tayo ng tuk-tuk bro going there. Tara, dito tayo. Kaya, Gio, ka na. So, hire tayong tuk-tuk. This is good for 3 yan. So for the 3 of us, I'm with Kel and Gio.
Hi.
Hello, guys.
Where are we going?
Where are we going?
It's in 9 Arch.
Okay. So 9 Arch Bridge. So that's one of the iconic landmarks dito sa Sri Lanka.
With the icons.
Yeah, with the icons. See you there. Yeah, medyo rough road na dito sa part na to. Tapos, zigzag. May part na pataas. We're here. So, this is the 9 Arch Bridge. Ayan. Ang ganda. Wow. We only have a very limited time here at the 9 Arch Bridge, just enough for some photo opportunities because we have a train to catch. Marta! Amazing Grace! Amazing Grace pala ito.
Diba dumadaan din naman yung train dito?
Oo. Yeah. Yeah, yung schedule ng train kasi natin.
Only time.
Amazing Grace. Ha?
Problem is the train.
Yeah. Alright, so nandito na kami sa railway. Dito kami sasakay sa ano to, Badula. Ayan, railway station of Badula. Paparating na sa Badula station. We were supposed to be taking the train from Ella, but all seats are fully booked, so we needed to rush to this station to catch the train. Alright, so nandito na kami sa railway station ng Badula. Dito kami sasakay ng train going to Nuwara Eliya. So, ito din yung most iconic train ride dito sa Sri Lanka. So, this is every tourist here in Sri Lanka na talagang nilulook forward. Okay? So, we go inside. Where do we stay? Just here? Okay. Okay, so we wait here. Ito yung mga types of train yan na meron dito. So meron silang locomotive, steam, may crane. Ito, yan, electrical locomotive. Yan, so this is where you buy ticket. We've already secured ticket, so we're just waiting na pwede nang pumasok dito sa train. Alright, so sasakay na kami sa aming car. So we have to move quickly. Ayan, so nakita nyo kanina medyo challenging yung pag-akyat kasi talaga agawan sa chair. So pero nakasecure na kami ng isang cabin for us. Ayan, so isang car kami. Here. There's everyone. So this is around 3.5 to 4 hour train ride going to Nuwara Eliya, and then in between magkakaroon tayo ng view ng railway later. So Kasabi tayo dyan sa labas. Alright? Hey guys, so the train is moving. And seatmate ko si Gio. Adventure begins now. Dapat. Sa food. Pag-selfie dito. Hey! Mga local. We're coming into the tunnel. Coming inside. Yeah! It's a really long train ride. We are still here inside the train. So I think mga 2 hours pa before we arrive to our destination. So, where are we going? So, we're going to Nuwara Elia. Pero ang station na bababaan natin ay Nanuya. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it correctly. Let me Google it first. Wala yung bird.
Is a bird?
Nakapasok yung bird sa train niya. Ilalabas na. Hey! Free na siya. Ayan, so another station. I think 3 more stations. Tapos yung pang 4th, doon na tayo bababa. Tingnan mo, bumaba sila ng wheelies para sumakay ng train. Yan. Yan. Bumili kami ng berry kasi gutom na kami. Yan. Yeah, guava. So this is a type of guava?
Yeah.
Oh, alright. It's a guava. Red guava, yeah. Alright, so let's taste it. Guava nga siya guys, tingnan nyo. Maliit lang siya. Tapos, ano, yan, ang lalaki ng buto niya. Medyo maasim pero masarap. They call it berry, pero guava siya. Sarap siya guys. Pero iba yung dahon niya. Iba yung tsura ng dahon niya. May mga local snacks dito. Bili tayo ng tag-iisa. Let's try it. Hello! Thank you. Yan. Kainin natin tong roll. This one. Potato?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, this is made of potato. Medyo spicy siya, pero masarap. Yeah, it's good. It's good. I like it. I like it. Yeah. How about this one, the donut-like?
It's called as what? Unduare.
Try naman natin to unduwale. So it's like a donut looking snack like this. Unduwale. Alright. Unduwale. May mga spices din siya. Bread.
Where's your destination? Where's your destination?
Ako. Okay, so malapit na tayo sa station na babaan natin. So, we're gonna be preparing na. Ayan. So, malapit na. Hello! Thank you. Alright. Ayan. Nanu Oya. Yung binabaan nating station. How's the experience? Okay, so we are now exiting the station and hanapin na namin yung aming service. Alright, our coaster is here. So first stop dito sa Nuwara Elia, of course, late lunch. Ayan, so dito tayo ngayon sa Coffee Center Nuwara Elia. Okay, so tapos na kami mag late lunch. It's already around 5 actually. So late lunch, early dinner na naman. Ayan, dito pa rin yan sa may Coffee Center sa Nuwara Elia. So for now, pagsakay namin dito, I think mag-check-in muna kami and then free time na kami for the rest of the day. Alright? So see you as we explore Nuwara Elia. Ang cute ng pakwan nila, oh. Isang ganun lang. Liit. Newly created garden. Tingnan mo part ng garden plant nila yung strawberry. Bongga. Okay. Pwede, can I get the fruit? Let's harvest the strawberry. Strawberry? Welcome to Burnham Park. No, this is Gregory Lake. Dito sa Nuwara Elia. Okay, sobrang relaxing talaga dito sa Lake Gregory. Sobrang I can't, say the exact word. So, masarap lang mag-ikot-ikot. So, just chill here. Walk with your friends, with your family. Sobrang relaxing. So mayroon ding horseback riding dito. Sobrang Baguio feels lang. So nandun yung Burnham, ito yung Wright Park. Okay, so babalik na pala tayo sa ating sasakyan, yan, service. And we're gonna be checking in na rin siguro. Alright, we're finally here sa aming accommodation dito sa Nuwara Elia. Yan siya. This is our room dito sa Travelers Inn sa Nuwara Elia. Yan. So this is good for 3. Actually 4, pero 3 lang kami. Ayan, tapos may balcony kami dito. Let's open it. There. Oh my God. Ang ganda ng view. Hello. Filipino?
Vietnamese.
There. So, this is our view sa aming room. Yan, dito pa rin yan sa Nuwara Eliya, Sri Lanka. Ayan, so nakasettle na kami dito sa accommodation and then Kel and I decided to explore the town. So, lalakad kami. Okay, sabi naman doon, parang 10 to 15 minutes lang pababa. Naliligaw kami. So, we're looking for the shortcut. Kasi confusing yung signage. But, we are here to explore, so let's just explore. Not that one, kasi yung sign sabi niya. Pala kasi, papunta sa bahayan, so ito pala yung shortcut dapat sa gilid. Okay, let's go down. Okay, so nakababa na kami and yan, walking towards na the city proper. Devon Hotel and Restaurant. Hi, hello.
How are you, bro?
We're doing good. We're exploring some local flavors. What is it that they're drinking? Coffee ba yan? Tea. Wala na. Hello. Hey. Hey. Hi. Is it okay to shoot? So these are some of the local food here. And there's what. Okay, so we go where the locals go. Sabi nga, mahaba pila dito. So baka it's a good place to explore food. Ay, oo nga. Para siyang ano, no? Pad thai. Mixed. Okay. Cold one. Ay, so may nakita kami mga street food dito. Vegetables samosa. Okay, let's try their food here. Good. This is Dal Badar. Ang dami rin kumakain dito. So, siguro talagang kilala tong place na to dito sa Nuwara Eliya. That's it. May sinihan dito, oh. Regal Cine. Ang ganda naman ng pasad nila. Alright, so we're still exploring town. I'm still with Kels. Dito naman kami sa may kabilang side. And medyo colorful dito, so baka maraming interesting to see here. Anong tawag kaya dito? Pwede ito. Parang sabon. Anong flavor gusto mo i-try? Daw yung best seller nila, so milk taste. Okay, this one.
Okay, for me.
Alright. Ito yung binili naming sweet, so we'll be trying this out. Yeah, so itatry namin yung sweets. Local.
Hi. Patingin ko exactly enough para walang lamangan. Indian dessert siya. Baba something.
How was it?
Sobrang tamis.
Hello. After exploring the town and eating some local food, we decided to end our night here at a local pub called Lion Pub before we head back to our hotel. So that's our day here at Nuwara Elia. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment down below, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates on our Sri Lanka trip. See ya!